Just got these Bringnox solar powered motorized shades here, and going to be doing an install and show you how easy this is. Here's our old blinds. We've had these for quite a while. Done okay. The strings started breaking and things like that. So here is what they look like now. We're going to pull these out and put in the new blinds here. All right, here we go. Pulled all the hardware out. So these old blinds, you know, we had all kinds of screws in here. Had to take these out. So the installation for these took me quite a while. Okay, these come in two nicely packaged boxes here. Just pull everything out, unpackaged. We got the blinds, the remotes, the wires, the solar panels, and everything we need to get going here. These are so easy to install. Just one corner has a little end that just pushes in. Just put that up in the corner and then just slide the other one up while you're applying a little bit of pressure there, and it locks in place. Here we have our solar panels. Just take off the sticky tape on either side, put them up on the window, and they tuck in up behind the blind so you can't even see them, and then plug in the little wire there. I chose to run my wire up over the top. You can do it around the side, however you want to, but this is a nice way. You get the solar panels and then you don't have to worry about charging the motors. All right, that's pretty much all there is to it. Just lock it in place. As you can see, it looks really nice. These are super quiet. They don't make a lot of noise. They're really smooth. It fit perfectly in my window. I simply sent them the measurements and they sent it. It stops right at the bottom. It just, yeah, you can use the remote to go all the way up or all the way down. This works with all kinds of devices, whether you use Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Home Assist, Matter, Smart Things, Tuya. Yeah, you can use your voice control with Alexa, anything you want to run these. These have these nice little remotes. They came paired right out of the box, so I didn't even have to do anything. I just turned it on and just they work great. So you can just push up once and it'll open all the way, or you can stop it in the middle. Really like this. I mean, setup compared to my old blinds, these shades are just so easy. You can see they block out. These are 100% light blocking, so at nighttime, or if maybe you want to block out the light during the day, these things just work excellent. I think they look really nice as well. Super easy to use. Anybody can set these up. Yeah, my other blinds took me probably about 15 to 20 minutes just with all the screws and measuring and everything I had to do. So here's the other window I did. And like I said, this on the left-hand side, it's just got that little push end. You just push it in, it's on a spring lever, and it just applies the pressure, and then just put the other side up, and that's all you have to do. I mean, they're so easy. It's just nice not having to drill, screw in a bunch of screws and brackets and things like that. And that's all there is to it. Now the valance on top is Velcro. Just peel that back a little bit. And then just put in my solar panel, just like in the other one. I just put it up at the top of the window. It sticks on easily, and then I just plug in my USB cord there. So this, I mean, I installed 2 of these in just seconds, really. Get a close up here. There's a little USB port, and there's the Velcro at the top. Just put that back in place, and we are in business. I was just so impressed with how easy these are to install. I really like, these come in a ton of different colors too. You can, yeah, just so many different colors and different amount of light. You can like 100% light blocking, or you can do 50%, or you can do almost clear ones. You do the zebra blinds, which are 50-50. There's just a ton of different ones you can do here. It's just almost unlimited options here. Very smooth, and you can stop them anywhere you want. So just really impressed with these blinds. I like them a lot. Well, this is my first initial impression of these just right after installing, and they're not crazy fast, but they're nice and smooth. I can just go by, push a button, and keep going on about my duties, and they're gonna just go to where I set them to go, basically. So as you can see, it's just, it's quite nice. All right, my friends, well, final thoughts on these blinds. I think they're super easy to install. It's just got that little pressure thing right on the side here. Slide that in first, put that in, and you're good to go. They're super quiet. They're pretty quick as they go up. They let in a lot of light. Also, you can see I've set up the little solar panels in the back, and they work great. I don't really have to charge these things at all. I think they look really nice, and I like the functionality of just being able to stop it whenever I want, whether I want it like halfway or all the way down. They do a really good job of like blocking out all the light as well. I think they look really good. They're super quiet. They don't make a lot of noise. So whether I want half the window or the whole window blocked, the remotes are very, very responsive. This works with, you can set them up with Alexa or Google Home or the app or all kinds of stuff. So whatever technology you want to use to work them, you can do that as well. I'm just using the remotes for right now, but yeah, they're very easy to install and they work great. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.